Welcome to Lumify Learn Certificate IV in Information Technology, Networking. This course equips you with in-demand skills in network configuration, security, and administration. Enjoy flexible study options with our 100% online courses. Study anywhere, anytime. You'll receive one-on-one training from a dedicated trainer, covering a mix of theory, technical units, and hands-on labs. The course includes 20 units, organised into key streams such as ICT essentials, supporting clients and data, networking and security, and cybersecurity incident handling. You have 15 months to complete these units with practical assessments, projects, and learning activities instead of exams. This course is perfect for entry-level IT professionals, IT support personnel, network administrators, small business owners, and anyone looking to transition into network administration. Through Lumify Edge, we offer career support by connecting you with recruiters and providing internship opportunities, helping you launch a fulfilling and well-paid IT career. Keep exploring, learning, and growing your IT skills with Lumify Learn. We're excited to support you on your journey to success in the tech world.